Here's a specialty Mustang, just in it unique, specialty and classics. This one's a 2016 Shelby GT350 Mustang Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, one owner. Just a little over 30,000 is all in this car. Supercharged, 5.2 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission, putting down approximately 800 wheel horsepower. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Triple yellow in color. Take a look at the front fascia. Chin spoiler. Now you'll be able to see the underside pics, interior, engine bay, trunk, all the still pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the black wheels, big Brembo brakes behind them. If you want to see exactly how this car is equipped, we have a picture of a copy of the window sticker in with all the still pictures, and you're going to see that it did come with the over-the-top racing stripes, track package, which was I think around the $6,500 mark, the painted roof on it, and paint shows well. You can tell it's a well cared for car. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. One thing I also want to point out, window tint, front windshield, side glass. It is tinted, so know your local and state laws with the darkness of the window tints you can have and where you can have it. We also consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, just a little over 30,000 miles on this one owner GT350. An actual chassis number is 3758. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, take a little closer look at the interior. We're also going to take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. I know that's going to be a tough job, huh? Let's take a look down the driver's side. If you're into these higher horsepower, late model muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. When the vehicles get the videos done, the videos are uploaded daily and they are available to purchase. The cars can be purchased online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. And as you can see, the driver's side of this car also shows well. Paint, nice shine to it, and again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels, and of course your modern amenities that you're going to have on a GT350. Recaro bucket seats in very nice shape. Of course, steering wheel controls, and then all of the programmable things and the information that you can get into with the information screens from the controls on the steering wheel. So it would have push button start. All right, so there's your exact miles. You can see that, is it 30,383? I'm gonna go ahead and start this. I noticed it looked like the key fob needs the battery replaced. It's telling you right there, key battery low, replace it soon, just so you're aware of that. Not a big deal, so we'll get out of that. There is obviously your settings that you can go all through, and then your track apps, all that fun stuff. No warning indicators, no check engines, anything like that. All right, top of the dash looking good. Oil pressure and oil temp gauges. Slip around to the back of this now at idle. This thing's got just a nice rumble to it. You get on the gas of this one, it's got some bark to it. Now as far as the Whipple supercharger, it's a Gen 3 2.9 Whipple charger, 150 millimeter throttle body and 100-pound injectors. are under the hood also. Speaking of which, let's slip up so we can check this engine bay out, take a peek at that, and remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive down the road. Good shot of the underside of the hood, and here it is. Look at that 5.2 liter supercharged V8, approximately 800 horse. Good looking engine bay, nice and clean and tidy. What you'd expect in a one owner, clean Carfax, 2016 Shelby GT350, just a little over 30,000 miles. What a beauty, a triple yellow. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2016 Ford Mustang. This is a 6-speed manual. Awesome yellow and black paint job with a black interior and a very snappy exhaust note. You get to the perfect spot. Very fast. I'd say this is faster than some Mustangs that claim to be fast. This one is a strong runner. We have a factory tachometer working great, fuel gauge reading a half a tank, coolant temperature almost halfway up the gauge. Factory stereo is working great. Very nice interior. Racing style seats, emblazoned with the GT350. This car handles good. Nice soft cloth material, possibly suede on the steering wheel. Very snappy throttle response, very fun to drive car. Makes you want to just keep going. I wish I had a track to drive on. Very fun to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.